In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the LCM, or the least common multiple. The first example that we're going to look at is finding the LCM of 8 and 4. Remember, our strategy for the LCM is to draw the big M. At the top, we'll put the perches for our numbers, 8 and 4. We're first going to start by listing the multiples of 8. How many multiples of 8 do we need to list? To find that out, we look at the next number. The next number is 4, which tells me I only need to list 4 multiples of 8. So 8, 16. Remember, if you do not know your multiples of 8, you can draw 8 dots at the top to help you count by 8. 8, 16, 24, 32. I'm now going to list my multiples of 4. How many multiples of 4 do I need to list? I look to the next number, 8. So I need to list 8 multiples of 4. So skip counting by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to keep going. 20, 24, 28, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that I have all of my multiples listed, I want to look through both of my lists and find any multiples that they have in common or any multiples that are the same. So the first thing I see is 32, 24, 16, and 8. Now I want to choose which of these common multiples, 8, 16, 24, or 32, which of those is going to be my LCM. Remember that LCM stands for least common multiple. So I want to choose the one that is the least or the smallest, which would be 8. I'll draw my box right here to write my answer of 8. In this next example, I'm going to find the LCM of 12 and 3. So first I'll start by listing my multiples of 12. The next number, 3, tells me I only need to list 3 multiples of 12. 12, 24. If you're not sure how to count by 12s or what would come next, over here in the white space, you could do 24 plus 12. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. My next multiple is 36. Now I'm going to list my multiples of 3. I need to list 12 multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So if I count, I've so far listed 10 multiples of 3. I need 2 more, so I can count up from 30. 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 34, 35, 36. Now finding my common multiples, I see 36, 24, and 12. Well, which one is the LCM, or the least common multiple? The smallest common multiple here is 12.